Let us discuss about immune system. What is the definition of immune system? A system made up of many organs and cells that defends the body against infections or disease or any other foreign substances is called the immune system. It is the system that produces immune response and provides defense mechanism to an individual. Being exposed to diseases, we develop resistance towards diseases and gain immunity. Let us see about health and its significance. According to World Health Organization, definition of health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being of an individual and not merely absence of a disease or infirmity. The ability of an individual to adapt and self-manage when facing physical, mental or social challenges is called health. It is also a state free from illness, and it is a level of functioning or metabolic activity of an individual. So what is the significance of health? A man of good health is metabolically efficient, means that body system and metabolic processes are performing well. When a person is in a good health, different organ system not only function well but also as a whole body able to adjust itself and strike a balance between physical, mental and social environments. The varying environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, wind, pressure, sun, rain, pollution caused by man, atomic radiation, malnutrition and the millions of microbes that surround our body, the interpersonal conflicts or all other factors affects our life and are challenges to our health. Let us talk about dimensions of health. There are three dimensions: physical, mental and social. Physical dimension. In referring to physical health, many people look at the outward appearance of their body. Yes, it's true. The external body may manifest the signs of ill health, but it is the internal systems that really matter. How the body systems work, such as circulatory, digestive, respiratory, nervous, cardiovascular, carry out their tasks can be felt by the person in his outside appearance itself. A person who is free from disease is bright with his skin shining, enjoying normal metabolism, has a good lustrous hair and has no black ring around his eyes. Mental dimension. A mentally healthy person who knows his capacities does not overestimate or underestimate himself and can judge his shortcomings and weakness. Social dimension. A person adjusting himself in society does not find fault with others. He maintains interpersonal relationship with his family members and colleagues at work spot and free from interpersonal conflicts and will not quarrel is a social dimension of health.